So these are the logs. I'm gonna paint the ends of these today. It's easier to paint the ends. So I'm gonna paint the ends here today of the logs that I'm about to mill. I find painting the ends, it keeps it from checking, as it's still gonna check, it's still gonna split, but painting it just gives you the best you can do. I just used some leftover latex paint from the house, and I'm gonna paint the ends here. I've done it after I've milled it, but it's a pain to kind of paint each slab, whereas it's just as easy to paint the one face, one circle, one shot. Yeah, we cut some of the paint out, but it's much easier in the long run. So that's the plan today. I'm just gonna sock that with some latex paint. Here we go. We got some of our latex paint. We're just gonna paint the ends here. Slop it right on. Get it right into the pores. And that will just keep the wood from, well, like I said, the wood will check and split, but this is the best possible scenario to prevent it from checking. And the reason for it is the ends dry quicker than the sides and the middle. So this just slows down the drying process on the end and then makes it less prone to checking. Now there's already some splits in this log due to the actual tree itself right in the middle. Like I said, just get right into the pores. Sock it to it. And that's how we do her. So I have about, what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 logs to do, so 8 ends. And I might do the posts and beams too, can't hurt. Even those aren't gonna be milled. Almost got her. Then generally what I do before I walk away, I just look to see if there's any parts that have absorbed a little bit more, and there is. Especially along the edges, I find the edges seem to really suck it up. Beautiful. There we go. One done. So we got them all painted. All the ends of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 logs, or 8 ends of the logs, and then we got 5 ends and 5 ends of the posts. Didn't really need to do those, but had to paint out, why not? Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.